In today's video, we discuss how to create a 12-pointed black star using keyboard shortcut. So you must remember this keyboard shortcut Alt 10041. So you must open your Microsoft Word in your Windows computer, and after that I'll show you. You must go to your computer keyboard, and this is the number lock. You must press this number lock. Now we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see the Alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this Alt key. Don't remove your finger from this Alt key. At the same time, you must type here 10041. So after typing 10041, you can simply release your finger from this Alt key. So now you can see that we have created a 12-pointed star. So this is a 12-pointed black star. So we have created using this keyboard shortcut. For more videos, you can subscribe. Thank you.